In this video, we're going to see how you can construct a regular 17-sided figure. This construction follows that of Richmond, published in 1893. We start with this circle, center A, radius AB. We also need the line through A and B, the x-axis if you like. That intersects the circle at C, so now we have a diameter for the circle. The perpendicular to that line through A, we need to draw that as well. You can construct a perpendicular using a ruler and a compass. This intersection point, we'll call that D. Now we bisect the line segment AD to get the midpoint, which we'll call E. Now you bisect a new line segment AE to get F. That's a quarter of the way up the radius of the circle. Now we draw the line through F and B. That makes a nice little angle, AFB, which we bisect using the ruler and compass. There's a few steps there, but it's not hard to do. That new intersection point we'll call G. And then we need to bisect this angle as well, AFG. We'll call that intersection point H. We're going to need the line through H and F, so let's draw that in. You would have got that line when you bisected the angle. We need a perpendicular to that line through the point F. That gives a new point on the x-axis, which we'll call I. HFI is a right angle. We need to bisect that to get a 45-degree angle. Let's call that new intersection point J. The line segment JB, we bisect that to get its midpoint. That's K. Now we draw a circle, center K, radius KJ. That of course goes through B as well. That will intersect the y-axis at a point we'll call L. Back to point H again. We need a circle, center that, radius HL. That intersects the x-axis at a new point M, very close to K. Now we take a perpendicular to the x-axis through M. That gives a new intersection point N. And that's almost all we need. Let's draw that circle now. If you set your compass to the distance BN, N and then mark that off around the circle, then you will get the 17 vertices of a 17-sided polygon. And then you can just join them all together.